Is your camera access off for Snapchat? If yes, I'm going to teach you how to turn it on. Welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial video, I'm about to show you how to turn on access for camera on Snapchat. Open your Snapchat app and press on Turn On as you see this. Press while using the app and here you go. Your camera access is on. Another way to do it is go to the Snapchat app, press on the Snapchat, go to its settings, and then go to permissions, press on camera, and then you could turn on it from here too. So this is how you turn on camera permissions for Snapchat. Hope the video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button for more interesting tutorial contents. See you soon. Until then, goodbye and take care.